Hi everyone. Today we are going to do probability distribution, but before I start with probability distribution, you should know what is a random variable. A random variable is a function that assigns numerical values to all the possible outcomes. So it is a function which is giving a number to the outcomes. To all the possible outcomes, when you give a number, that is known as the random variable, and we write it as capital X or small x. Now, what is a probability distribution? A description of the values of a random variable along with the corresponding probabilities. You are writing random variable, say x1, x2 up to xn for that particular case, and you're finding out the corresponding probabilities, and when you write them together, you describe them. That is known as probability distribution. Remember that probability always has to be positive. It means greater than 0, and the sum of the probabilities in probability distribution is always equals to 1. I will explain you in detail properly in the example which I've taken. Read the example. Two cards are drawn successively with replacement from a well shuffled pack of cards. Two cards are drawn, so we have 52 cards. You're going to draw two cards. Find the probability distribution of number of aces. So you have to find out number of aces. So you are giving the number to the outcome. What is the outcome? What are you taking out? You're taking out aces. So you're giving a number to the aces. Now tell me the possibilities. You can have the number as 0. You can have the number as 1. You can have the number as 2. What does that mean? 0 means you're taking out two cards, but none of them is ace. So it means that is no ace. No ace. X equals to 1. It means it is one ace. X equals to 2 means it two aces. Two aces. In detail, no aces, because two cards are drawn over here. No ace means it should be two non-aces. Two non-aces. One ace means one ace and one non-ace. One ace and one non-ace. And two aces. So directly you can find out two aces. So you have assigned a number to the outcome. And when you find out the probability, for this, now what will be the probability when x is equals to 0? X is a random variable. You have assigned a number to the outcome. The outcome was aces. So x over here is a random variable, and you're finding out the corresponding probability. So probability of no ace means two non-aces. How many non-aces do we have? We have 48 non-aces. So 48 divided by 52. And the question is with replacement. So you have already replaced the card. So again, the probability will be 48 upon 52. Now coming to when x is equals to 1. So what is the probability when x equals to 1? One ace and one non-ace. So it can be probability of ace non-ace or non-ace ace. So we have two cases, or you can simply multiply by 2, up to you. So ace, how many aces? Aces we have 4. So it will be 4 divided by 52. And non-aces are 48. So 48 by 52 into 2, because we have two cases over here. So we have to add them, or you can multiply by 2. Now, when x is equals to 2, so what is the probability here? So aces we have 4. So 4 upon 52 into 4 upon 52. And make sure, though this is the final answer, you only have to simplify, but make sure for better presentation, you write them in the table. You write p over here, you write px over here, write down the values. It is 0, it is 1, it is 2, and simplify. So this will be 144 by 169, and it will be 24 by 169, and it will be 1 upon 169. So that's a final answer. Thank you. Bye.